Trade ideas from bad traders
Mm.
with your hosts, Thomas, my friend, Mr. Athey, and me, myself, James. All right, let's get right into this. So, first trade I identified is crude oil CLF4 or CLG4. Um, I was looking at CLG, which is the options that I'm trading. The 49 DTs are on CLG4. 63 IV rank was trading for 77.35 at the time of writing. I don't think it's much off of that right now. Yeah, it's right there pretty much. Expected move of plus or minus $8.20. So that puts the call side at 85.55 and 69.15. Proper sizing should be utilized for bigger accounts. So that would be for CL or smaller accounts, MCL. That's probably more R speed, micro crude. Looking at selling the $69 put and the 88.5 call.
80, is that 85?
Yeah, 85 and a half call. So the 69 put and the 85 and a half call. I'll pull it up on the Tasty in a sec. Looking for 267 in credit and 577 in BPR. So for the full-sized MCL, that's 2,670 in premium for $5,770 in buying power reduction. For the MCL, it's $267 in credit for 577 in buying power reduction. 65% probability of profit calculated on the Tasty Works brokerage app.
I like that, man. So you've got about your buying power reduction is
It's
two times.
about it's around 2 to 1.
Yeah, man. That's one standard deviation
Yeah,
probability of profit. Hell
you pull
yeah.
up the charts on it. It didn't give me a P50, but I'm estimating it to be about 75% or greater. It's probably around there. Um, it is a tasty trade, and wings can be utilized for protection if you don't want to trade MCL and you want to stay with CL. There's more liquidity on the larger contracts, so I'd say doing a 3-point wide iron condor is also very viable if you get 1 to 4 or 1 to 3 closer to, because this is two or yeah, 3 to 1 or 2 to 1. This is 2 to 1, or I'm saying 4 to 1 or 3 to 1. This is a 2 to 1 just for an outright strangle. Let me pull up over here the MCL, or just not MCL. I'll just pull up CLG. I was looking at CLG 2024. So, okay, so this one's a little bit higher than, I guess we saw a bit of a move. It was 50 cents lower when I made this little article.
Mm.
So maybe we can go up to the 86 call now. Since it moved 50 cents, we put a horizontal line at 86 and a horizontal line at 69 and a half. So this is a 49 day till expiration. We put a vertical line, January 19th, 2024. So I'm just going to set it right there. Yeah, so 63 IV rank, 2 to 1. I definitely can see oil staying within this range moving forward. Probably see some price action. We've seen some upward swing price action, up 1.6% on the day right now. Yeah, I could definitely see a sideways move, especially going into the winter. I don't expect prices of gas to be rising going for, winter driving. Not many people drive. I was going to say that could give validity to maybe a natural gas rally if we pull up NG.
But that's all priced in. I mean,
They say it is, but then if the weather gets thrown off, that was the whole thing back. If we look over here in 2021, when Ivan and I were trading natural gas, with like the 100+ IV rank, the expectation was that there was going to be a very cold winter, and the prices were rallying because of that. But then the North Atlantic weather trends suggested that it wasn't going to be as cold as suspected into the later months of December, January, February, March. And I do remember in that time it wasn't super bad going into 2022. And then we had it again, but this time it was in the summer. There might have been a different reason for that. But then also at the time over here, there was an arb trade going on with European natural gas. So, I mean, we're seeing, we saw not too long ago in October, pretty big spike. We get these spikes in natural gas, and as you can see on the forward curve, like every time, like you see how you said it's priced in. That it's priced in for the colder months of the winter, and then in the warmer months it declines, and then you know what I mean. So if you get that prediction wrong, the price is supposed to rally even higher because there's more consumption going on. But we were talking about oil, that's natural gas. I could see some bullish action in natural gas, maybe selling some puts here. I didn't come across any volatility analysis on my end.